What's going on, guys? It's Elias. Welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're one step closer to finally getting my workshop on this awesome concrete pad that you guys saw me build. It's been quite a while, and due to COVID delays and all this other crap that's going on, I haven't been able to get my shop yet. Very annoying, but it is what it is. It's the perfect time to put down this sealant. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. First, we're going to blow it off and clean it off. I have my hose out there, so yesterday I was just hosing it off. Today I'm gonna blow it off, just make it nice and clean. And then I'm gonna put on the solvent-based sealant that I got. Now, I went with Foundation Armor AX25. I'll explain to you why I do that in just a moment. Let me go ahead, get the leaf blower out. There's that hose. Let's open this up. Let's see if there's any snakes in here. All right, no snakes, no snakes. First start of the season. It's been 2 months since I've started this thing. Just added a bit of fuel. Should be fine for a while. Gotta give us a few pumps. On here. And give her a rip. So here we go. I went with a Foundation Armor AX25, like I've said before, and it's a acrylic / siloxane blend. Now, what does that mean? Well, I've done a bunch of research, and I figured I don't really care about how it looks necessarily. I want it to be able to easily cleaned. I want to be able to protect the concrete from oil spills and things like that. And there's not a lot out there that will do everything, but this both penetrates the concrete, makes it a little bit harder, makes the concrete water resistant as well. On top of that, it also covers the concrete with a high gloss finish. Usually you get one or the other, either a penetrant. So a penetrating sealant is one that goes into the concrete, and it basically seems like you didn't put anything on there until you put water on it, and it repels water. Pretty cool. And that's a penetrating concrete sealer. The concrete sealer I wanted was kind of a gloss sealer, something that would kind of go over it. And while I have to keep reapplying that more often than the penetrating concrete sealer, it offers up a bit more protection. It makes it easier for me to clean out the garage, as I'm assuming I will be doing a lot, from any oil spills or things like that, grease spills, whatever the case may be. And it allows me to keep on putting more and more layers of this as the years go on. Now, this is probably going to be good for 1, 2, 3 years, depending on how you use it. For my use, again, I don't care about its look. All I care about is functionality. So I'll be probably fine for 5 years. We'll see how it goes. If you stay tuned to this channel, I'm not going to stop producing videos, so you will know. But today we're going to see how easy it is to go ahead and apply this. I got this big 18-inch brush thing. I got the Foundation Armor. All the links are going to be in the description, guys, so if you have any questions on what I got, it's all going to be down there for you guys. If you have any questions, put it down below. If you have any suggestions on which sealers are really good for this type of concrete, for garage concretes, you let me know in the comments. I'd love to see that. All right, let's go ahead, see how this goes. just finished applying it all and it looks pretty ugly. It's gonna bring out all of the troweling that we did. Again, I didn't do this for cosmetics, I did it for protection and ease of use. Also, when it's wet, it's probably not gonna look as good as when it's dry. So we'll come back here in a couple days. Hopefully it doesn't rain too much tomorrow and ruins this, because it's supposed to rain tomorrow, but we'll see. We'll see if it rains or not, and we'll be good. So let's take a look.